Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my work from home office or desk setup. Recently our work from home was extended yet again, and my tiny little desk that I had just wasn't quite working for me. You can see here that I had a smaller work surface. So I really wanted to share with you guys my journey in upgrading my desk into something larger and a more comfortable workspace where I can lay out drawings and plans, as I am an interior designer. So please follow along and I hope you enjoy. I purchased a new work surface. It's actually an Ikea countertop for kitchens. Here I am assembling the countertop into my desk. I am reusing the legs from my previous Ikea desk, so that was very handy. It's on casters, so it being kind of a heavy workstation, I'm able to have some flexibility if I need to push it out of the way or move it around so I can lay out samples to review. You can see me really struggling here, trying to lift this sucker up by myself, but I was finally able to manage to do that without breaking my back. You can see why I chose this work surface. It's got a very pretty chevron pattern. They piece the veneer together and it's very beautiful. I did purchase a ultra-wide monitor during Black Friday. I got a really good deal on it. We had some Best Buy points or dollars to use towards it, so I upgraded my monitor.
That's pretty big.
Really?
Yeah.
Overall, this monitor is smaller than if I were to have two monitors put together, but it definitely does what it needs to do. I'm able to put two documents up side by side with no problem. Here, my in-house IT, aka Jose, is helping me set up my new monitor and connecting my work laptop to it. I purchased this felt desk pad from Amazon, and because it is a wood veneer, I really wanted to protect the surface of this work top, so it was relatively inexpensive. It's very wide, so it holds my keyboard and my mouse perfectly. I purchased this metal paper storage, I guess, off of Etsy. It's a brand I think actually from Taiwan. And it's really cool because you can add these different accessories, as you can see here, to it, and they're magnetized, but that's a kind of wire management. There's hooks where I can put keys or hang other wires or headphones off of those. And you can really actually use this for paper storage, notebooks. You can stick iPad in here. It's pretty versatile, so I thought it would be nice as a space saver on my desk. As you can see, the wires here are just out of control. So again, I went on Amazon and ordered kind of a cable box, if you will. It really just stores all the cables, makes it look a little bit cleaner. It's got vents on top so that the outlets and power strip don't overheat. So it's time for the grand reveal. Here is the before shot, and you can see how cluttered and how much smaller my work surface was. This is what the new setup looks like. I've got a longer work surface. It's cleaner. I have lots of space to lay out. The wood on the desk is very beautiful. I actually oiled the desk a little bit. So yeah, that concludes my office tour or desk tour, if you will. Thank you for following along. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it inspires you maybe to reorganize or recreate your work from home.